wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. You the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. Today is gonna be a vlog. I know I don't really do those. This is going to be a Miami solo trip. This is gonna be like a birthday vlog. We are going to be here for like the next 3 or 4 days. I'm gonna do a whole list of activities. I have an itinerary already planned out for what I'm gonna do starting with tonight. So today I got here and the first thing on my list was to sit poolside and just relax. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna get ready to go out. I don't really want to do too much. The hotel that I'm staying at is actually located right next to a shopping center, and yeah, I don't want to do nothing too crazy because I have a whole lot of stuff planned for the next few days, but I do want to get some pictures in because I have been slacking on Instagram. Like, I totally abandoned my Instagram, and that was not the plan. No excuses, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna be back when I'm getting cute. I guess I could do like a get ready with me because I'm trying to get all the content I can out of this trip. All right, so I'm back. I just got out the shower. I actually did these braids the other day, but I honestly did them just to travel because I wanted to travel with braids. So I will be taking these out tomorrow to do something real cute for my birthday. I'm gonna do a light beat. I have this, let me see what I have. I'm gonna go see what I can find to eat, and I'll probably bring you guys with me, so let's go.
Your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass in that sundress. Your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass in that sundress. Your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass in that sundress. Your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass in that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication, save relations.
I don't know what part of the vlog this is or if this is even gonna make it to the vlog. Oh, today is Friday, September 3rd. Yesterday was my birthday. Last night, I took my braids out and I did a quick weave. So that's how I went out. I wanted that style to go out. I took the quick weave out this morning and put my Miami wig on, you know what I'm saying? It's only right to wear Miami in Miami, but I actually went to brunch at this really bomb breakfast spot. Bomb, super affordable. Everything was A1 except for that latte. That latte was disgusting. Then I went to Brickell City Center, Zara, because I needed a few pieces for these looks that I'm trying to get together for some pictures. But Zara's fitting rooms are still closed, so I got back to the hotel and I tried on the pieces, and 2 of them don't fit. So I'm about to bring it back to Zara right now. I guess I can show you guys the pieces. Denim jumpsuit, romper type of deal. And I got a medium, but when I tried it on, it was so tight and it looked real bad in the crotch area because it was so tight. So I'm gonna go back and get a large in this. And I got some cute accessories. But I got this really cute bag. I'm pretty sure this is a Bottega dupe. And I got these cute heels to match. Another Bottega dupe for sure. Just for like a pop of green. I need to get my Instagram back together. Instagram is another source of income if you're like an influencer or if you're into that type of thing. But I got this cute polo type shirt. And this is in a medium large. But honestly, it was so tight in like the, I don't know if I can keep this because it's pretty tight. I might just film a little bit in Zara with my phone, so let's go.
Yeah, but I got no time for that. How could you? You should never let me have no time for that. Yeah, let me be my lady, got no time for that. How could you? Moving like you crazy, I ain't call you back. Yeah, leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck. Running up the bus, yeah. Leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck. Bitch, you dumb as what? Yeah, leave me alone. Drunk as fuck, bitch, you dumb as fuck. Running up the bus, yeah. Leave me alone. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, yeah, I miss you, but I got no time for that. You was my little lady, drive me crazy. I was fine with that, yeah. How you just gon' play me? I ain't fine with that. Thinking about you daily, smoking crazy while I'm off the tech, yeah. Flexing, oh, we was flexing. Always I told you that you be a star. Ghost and I take your list down. Question, or check your message. You did not come from the bitch from the start, or she was texting, yeah. See that she gone, yeah. Leaving them gone, yeah.
Yeah, I was listening to that new Drake album. So I listened to Kanye's album and I listened to Drake's album, and I kind of like both of them, but Drake's is kind of fire. Like I finally finished just the whole look, but the look will definitely be on Instagram. So I'm just gonna pair those green Zara accessories with this, and I did film a get ready with me or something like that. So yeah, now I'm just gonna take some pictures and then I'm going to go get something to eat and maybe like a couple of drinks. The one con about solo traveling is you gotta take your own pictures. So I'll see y'all in a little bit.
How can I love somebody else? How can I love somebody else?
901 Shelby Drive. Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Folk flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the group. 700, 3 I5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up. Our poppy outside.
Alright, y'all, so I'm done. I am dressed. You can kind of see my outfit in the mirror, except I gotta take this waist trainer off before I leave. These shorts are kind of loose, but whatever. It was either a medium or a large, and I could not fit into no medium. So I just have on, my Miami wig. I have on this off the shoulder kind of. Actually, it's not an off the shoulder shirt. You're supposed to wear it up. like this, but the look that I was going for is off the shoulder. So I have this shirt from H&M. I just put like some nipple covers and some blue tape under here. And then I have these shorts on from Shein. So with the shoes, I don't know if I'm gonna do either. I have this clear shoe that I can do, but I also have this strappy white shoe. I just tried on the clear shoe and it looks real good, especially with the bag. Let me show y'all the bag. So this is the bag that I'm carrying tonight and I want to get pictures with. So I have a clear shoe with like a cork. The sole of it is like a cork. I have a strappy white heel, but that I could also do. So I don't know, I'm gonna try the strappy white, because originally I was gonna do the strappy white heel, but for some reason just now I was like, let me try the clear shoe on and see how it looks. And I'm not mad at it. I kind of really like the way it looks. So now I gotta decide which one I'm gonna carry. It's whichever one looks better when I put the fit together. But so I'm gonna go grab something to eat, take some pictures, and then I'm gonna come back and film that haul that I keep postponing. I gotta get it done. And then after I do that, I'm gonna just chill for the rest of the night. Probably like edit some pictures. So I will see y'all when I get back.
On this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride.
Today is Sunday, September 5th, and I leave today. I have to check out by 11. It's 8:30. My footage is so choppy. So yeah, I'm gonna head to Starbucks. I wanna hit the pool. Pool does open at 8. But yeah, overall this trip was really fun. I'm so sorry I didn't get to like vlog everything that I was doing. I don't have a vlog camera. Excuse what I look like. I'm so tired and my face looks so crazy and so puffy. But let me show y'all this balcony. It's a cute little sliding door. But this is what it looks like up here. It's still a nice view. This is only like the 7th floor. So unlike East, I was up on the 28th floor. So I had super high views. This one is cute. Lit, fully stocked. It's a very interesting artwork. Yeah. My favorite part about this hotel though is definitely the mirrors. They're like the bathroom, when you close the door, it turns into a full mirror. Like, just for reference, the hotel is right there. That's SLS Brickell regular, not Luxe. And that is Starbucks. Right there where you see that famous green umbrella. There's a cute little coffee bar, bake shop right there too, but I'm not trying to take a chance. Right now I need real drugs. So we got our Starbucks. I got brown sugar oat milk espresso. Now it's 9:05. I have 2 hours till checkout. I didn't fully unpack my suitcase when I got here from East because I knew I was only staying for the night, and if I take all, like putting all my stuff in the closet and stuff, like I'm not doing all of that. What I want to do is get these pictures in. Okay, y'all. So I made it to the pool, and I was trying to get pictures. Like when I first got to the pool, there was literally nobody down here. There was one guy like on the other side of the pool, and he was just like sunbathing. So I was like, yeah, I'm about to get some pictures. I don't gotta worry about people staring at me. As soon as I set up, this guy came over here to start working, and I'm like, he was like waiting for me to move before he set up. So I hurried up and I got my a couple pictures in. Now I gotta hurry up and get back to the room. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'll see y'all in a little while.
Keep flowing, hit the gas, keep going, yeah, them girls